I think we look towards the future, and I think what we try to do is we try to take technologies that may be existing in other fields that have nothing to do with automotive and put those into a vehicle. There's a lot of love that goes into it. There's a lot of precision manufacturing that goes into that. There's a lot of care from all of our staff, and that's something we're really proud of. HSP is a company that makes automotive parts, predominantly on the back of utes. So we do things like tonneau covers, retractable covers, tailgate central locking units, and a bunch of other stuff, predominantly for the back of a ute. All three manufacturing plants are in Victoria. We have one which is our head office in Metro Melbourne, and we actually have two in country Victoria, Alexandra. That's where we do all of our manufacturing of the roll R cover and any sort of aluminium extrusion sort of work as well. We have control from the initial thought of the product all the way to that end user having it on their vehicle. Prototyping, tooling, testing, we're involved in every process from start to finish, and it's all in-house. We've been doing ute accessories since 2007. We could blow our catalogue out to have hundreds of products in order to maximise profits, but we've decided to go after bespoke products that we think will make a difference to how people interact with their vehicles, and we've put through the latest innovations and technologies into those products. One of the best examples is our roll R cover. We were the first in Australia to do a fully electric roll top. I would say that's definitely the most advanced roll top in the world. There is no other unit that works with your factory remote, as well as having a touchpad, mobile phone integration, over-the-air updates on Wi-Fi. These are generally things that you see from more technology-based companies, not so much automotive accessories. When you're looking at a cover, you're looking at keeping your items dry, you're looking at security, and you're looking at something that looks nice. I don't think there's a better material than aluminium to do all of that. You've got something that's quite light in weight, that's very durable, that's extrudable, that has no sort of limitations when you are manufacturing. And working with great companies like Capral really brings that home and creates the product that we've envisioned. I think Capral is definitely more of a partner than a supplier. They really help us validate certain things that we're trying to achieve, and also can advise us whether these things are possible or not possible, and that's vice versa. So I've really enjoyed our team and their team challenging each other over the years. Dealing with Capral has been absolutely amazing because they can accommodate the needs that we have. And not only can they accommodate it, they're very reliable and their quality is absolutely fantastic. Something else that we're looking at is actually quantity, which is very important. We've always distributed in Australia. More recently, we've actually started doing a lot more exports. So we've got distribution in Europe, in South America, and a range of other countries. So that's been really exciting, and that's the next step that we're trying to go towards. We're really happy with how Capral's been able to keep up with that demand and even exceed it. The easiest way to convey our mission or our vision would be just to create beautifully engineered products that give a real effortless collaboration between the user and the vehicle itself. A lot of it is also just passion from the directors, from the staff, from the engineers. We really are into what we do, and we really try to take it to the next level on every occasion.